Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm here with my unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just opened the box. I didn't really go through anything, and I wanted to show y'all what I got. It's just a lot going on right now, so that's why I haven't been on YouTube. But I'm not even gonna, I'm not even gonna lie and be like, yeah, I'm gonna be more consistent. We'll just see what happens. Y'all know sometimes I could be real consistent and then sometimes I'm not. I'm human. I'm not perfect, but excuse the mess in the background because this is kind of like a spur of the moment video. I kind of just wanted to put something up on my channel since it's been a minute. This is what the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box looks like. So let's get started. I did do, I paid for an extra item for $3, and this is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions. Like, this has to be like the best mascara I've ever tried. So that was like the little extra thing I got in my bag. But let's just get started. Let's see what I got. I'm gonna try to make this video like not be too long. I'm aiming for under 10 minutes, but we'll see. Okay. I guess this thing will be discover yourself, because I see it also on a big part. I mean, written inside the bigger box that it came in. This is the card. Of course, I'm not going to read it because that just takes too long, but the card kind of has like, not kind of, but it has all the items that's included in this month's bag. First thing I got, oh, this is like a nice size, is the, I don't know how to say this, 111 skin. I don't know if it's like 111 skin, I don't know. Chiro activating hydrogel, gel hydrant, I can't even talk. It's a gel, a moisturizer, I'm guessing. I don't really know the actual price of this, but I'm sure it costs more than $25 because that's what I pay a month for $25 a month. Yeah, this is actually a nice size. Doesn't have any scent to it. That's what it looks like. Okay. What does it? Directions: apply in a small circular motion morning and night after cleansing and toning. Okay, so I'm excited to try this because gel moisturizers work really, really good on my skin. I have oily skin, so I always try to go with like a gel moisturizer. Next thing I got is the Evolve Hydrating Serum. Directions, let me show y'all before I just start reading. Apply after cleansing and toning, can be used twice a day. Keep refrigerated for best results. Okay, that's what that looks like. And not just, it's funny, it says keep refrigerated for best results. I just was on Amazon the other night looking at skincare refrigerators or whatever. Fridge. Oh, okay. I didn't even know that was supposed to come on. I was sitting there struggling. That's what it looks like. It's a clear consistency. Not clear consistency. It's clear, the color, but that's how it looks. It kind of feels like a gel. That's what it looks like. Doesn't have any scent to it. I don't know the actual price of this, but I'm excited to try that. Next thing I got is a palette from, what's the name of this company? Ipsy. Build your own eyeshadow palette. Let's see what this like. If I can't say if I said the name wrong, like, excuse me, I don't know everything. That's what that looks like. Very neutral colors. Has a mirror. I'm not gonna show y'all because that will blind you. But I'm excited to try this. Like, I'm not an eyeshadow wearer, but when I wear eyeshadow, I don't like crazy colors. Like, I just don't. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older. I turned 33 this year, so I don't be wanting to look crazy with a bunch of bright colors. And, like, I just don't do. If you follow my channel, I keep my makeup real basic. Like, I don't do nothing crazy. I don't know. I'm just I don't want to say, yeah, I'm real basic, but you know, I'm a simple person. The next thing I got is introducing complex culture. We designed this brush to make your life easier. Okay, this is a press and set and bronzer brush. This 2-in-1 brush helps to achieve a soft finish and glow. Don't sweep, press the flat side into the skin to set powder. Use the tips to apply bronzer sculpt. Okay. This brush looks very expensive. It's soft too. That's what that looks like. And I'm really happy about this because I've been wanting a new bronzer brush. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm sure this was worth more than $25 also, or maybe close to $25. And the last thing I got is I cannot say this. I don't know. It's an eyeliner. I ain't even gonna try to mess it up. I'll put the name on the screen. Is that the name? Where's the card at? I don't know. It's a liquid. It's a black eyeliner. That's all y'all need to know. I'll put the name because I don't know how to say this and I don't want to mess it up. Show you guys what that look like. Nice black. It's a felt tip eyeliner. You could never have too many eyeliners. And this is what the bag looks like. I don't know. I'm not too crazy about it. I won't be using this. I'll probably give it to my daughter. I never use my Ipsy bags. I always give them away or give them to my daughter. But that's basically all the stuff I got in my, well, no, I was about to say September. About to say another wrong month. My December Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video. And if you find the video someplace on YouTube and you just happen to like my personality, please subscribe. And for my subscribers now, I'm gonna try to be more consistent. I'm gonna try. I want to be more consistent on YouTube, but things happen and I be tired and sometimes I just forget and it just slips my mind. Oh, and I also want to say to everybody who know Mr. B, he did pass away this week, and I just want to say rest in peace, Mr. B. You truly, truly will be missed. And Mr. B was one of my good friends from the PlayStation world when I used to stream a lot, but I just want to say rest in peace, Mr. B. And that's it, y'all, because I gotta go. But if I don't see y'all before Christmas, I hope everybody have a happy Christmas, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and stay safe, and I'll just see y'all. Bye.